because obviously going into it, it's a competition at the end of the day. So you would think you'd have some form of strategy. That just went completely out of the window for me, because going in, it's actually so much tougher than what you see on television. The tasks are really hard. You are genuinely so exhausted.
Some big personalities as well, vying for...
100%, because...
So we've been disturbed by...
Oh, it's gone off. Thank goodness.
An alarm, which may mean that we have to slow things down for a moment. I'm so sorry,
really
everyone.
sorry.
We'll see. For the time being, we're going to have to leave the studios. So we'll see if we can come back before the end of the show and talk about Kate.
Thank you. Enjoy whatever you're doing for the rest of the day. I think we are going to have to go. Harpreet, I'm so sorry.
No, don't worry.
That's terrible. When
It's
you brought your
fine.
cakes.
Attention.
Yeah.
Attention. Please evacuate the building by
It's
the
worth
nearest
saying.
available exit.
So sorry.
Do not use the
Don't
lift.
apologise.
We think we've gone off air. We don't know. If you're watching, thank you for watching. Goodbye. This is where we say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Attention.
This is BBC News. I'm Ben Brown, live in Lviv here in western Ukraine, and these are our headlines.